Hello everyone, my name is Anuj and today's video is the third video of our transformation series, and today's video is going to be the most important video of this series. Today I will tell you how to become the master of your mind, how to get complete control over your mind, and if you can follow the steps that I will tell you in this video, then I promise you that you will achieve everything in this world. So please watch the whole video and please subscribe to my channel. And one more thing, that I have already posted two videos related to our transformation series. So if you haven't watched those two videos, then please go and watch it. The link of those two videos are in the description below. Now let's start the video. Now the technique or the method that I'm going to share with you is divided into three steps. The first step is going to be a meditation of 30 minutes that will help you in becoming the master of your mind, and it will also help you in attracting all the things that you want in your life, whether it is success, money, fame, or any other thing. Then the second step is going to be a technique or practice that you have to do few times in a day. And then finally, the third step is going to be a book that I will suggest you to read every day. Now let's discuss the first step of this technique. So the meditation that I'm going to share with you is very easy and it will take just 30 minutes. And this meditation is divided into two parts, 20 minutes, then 10 minutes. So for the first 20 minutes, you will just sit and you will focus on your breath. Just focus on your breath. Don't think about any other thing. Don't go for complex meditation methods. Just close your eyes and just simply focus on your breath. And after focusing on your breath for 20 minutes, your mind will become completely blank. And when your mind becomes completely blank, then you will do the second part of this meditation, and it is visualization. So for the remaining 10 minutes, you will visualize yourself as the person that you want to become in real life. You will visualize the life that you actually want to live. For example, if you want to be a rich guy, then simply close your eyes and visualize yourself as a rich guy. Visualize that you have a lot of money, you have a nice home, you have a nice car. So just simply visualize yourself as the person that you actually want to become in real life. And this is all that you have to do to create the life that you want and to become the master of your mind. Now let's move on to the second step of this method, and it is opposite thinking. See, no matter how much you meditate, negative thoughts will come into your mind. So whenever you find that you have negative thoughts in your mind, simply replace those negative thoughts with positive ones. For example, if a thought comes into your mind that you are a poor guy, then simply start thinking about all the good things that you have in your life. So simply replace those negative thoughts with positive ones. So this is the second step of this method. Now let's talk about the third and the final step of this method, and it is a book that I want you to read every day. And the book is How to Stop Worrying and Start Living by Dale Carnegie. It is one of the greatest book in my opinion, and I have recommended this book many times on my channel, and I have also given the Amazon link of this book in the description below, so you can buy this book from there. And I request you to please read this book on a daily basis. It will help you a lot in taking good care of your mental health. So these were the three things that you have to do if you want to become the master of your mind and the master of your life. Now if you have any doubt related to this video, then you can always ask me in the comment section below, or if you want me to make a video on any other topic, then please message me on Instagram. I will soon post a video on it. My Insta ID is also in the description below, and more videos related to transformation will come in the next coming days. So I request you one more time to subscribe to this channel right now. So this is all for this video, and thank you so much for watching.